This is a little bit of an update video here. It's been a while and doing pretty well. Kind of stiff. Back is kind of stiff. I'm trying to get some training in for roller skating, blading contest coming up over the next couple weekends. So I'm here at Milton Skate Park, just training on some grinds, testing out some new wheels and some new straps I put on my skates. They feel great. And I did a couple tricks here on the coping ledge because the box in Montreal where the contest is a coping ledge as well, kind of similar to this one. So it's a good place to get my routine down here. So feeling pretty good, confident on some grinds. And I wanted to make a little update video, just talking to everybody, seeing how y'all are doing, seeing how I'm doing. I'm doing pretty well. It's been a busy summer, and honestly, it just feels like summer just began, like this month, or I guess last month, as of August. August was pretty crazy, pretty good month. Got to do some traveling down to British Columbia. Stayed in Vancouver for almost 2 weeks. Shot a wedding over there. I did some camping in Ontario. I went to the CNE here in Toronto. I went to a cottage just this past weekend. And then next weekend is Montreal. The weekend after that, there's a skate summit in London, Ontario. So very busy times coming up. And, the locks are, I guess, almost at 10 years. This will be 9 years and 9 months at this point in time. And since I've trimmed them a couple years ago, they've already gotten pretty lengthy once again. So it's kind of interesting to see that. It's been about 1.5 years since I trimmed the back of my head and had the new growth come in as a freeform, and it's definitely like a pretty short rat tail right now, but it's a pretty fatty, natty rat tail Congo, I guess you could put it. And obviously, it's been a little slow here on the channel in terms of uploading, mainly due because I've just been focusing on work. Been doing the energy advising. I entered a new field, a new career, and it's been keeping me pretty busy. And it's been nice to take a step back from trying to do daily or semi-daily uploads. And also helps me to boost my creativity and innovation on when I do come back and make newer videos. So this is the type of quality that I'm actually going to be looking to do. Wireless mic. Just filming on the phone, to be honest, but I got the Blackmagic Cinema app, so it makes it look like it's not a phone at all. Ziggy's been great. Ziggy is turning 15 this coming new year, and he's full of energy. Definitely a good dog. His locks have been pretty trimmed. Actually, it's funny because his hair is kind of the same style as mine right now, where the sides and the back are kind of trimmed down and the top is growing long. And other news, I'm just keeping on keeping, doing well. My diet's been pretty good as well these days. Not so much vegan anymore, but definitely still on that vegetarian, plant-based tip. I definitely avoid dairy, and I definitely avoid meat at all costs. And I'm going to be trying to implement a gluten-free diet as much as possible. Definitely going to cut back on wheats and gluten to see if there's any difference. I've been learning about blood type diets, and myself being a type O positive blood type. There's definitely some foods that are super beneficial, and there's some foods that I should definitely avoid. And wheat is definitely an avoidance food, and so is dairy. So it's pretty good because I've already cut out dairy from my life. It's going to be tricky to substitute wheat because I definitely love bread and oats. Yeah, that's about it. Quick little update. Just wanted to tune in with you guys, share with you guys what's going on, some skate clips, some camping clips, whatever it is that's going on in my life. I'm going to put it in this little montage here, and I would love to hear how everyone else is doing in the comment section down below. Just let me know that you're tuning in, you're tapping in, and you're doing well. All right, I'm going to head out. Peace out. One love. Stay happy and natty. Yeah.
The nation. Dreadlocks.